Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of Theory of Equations, the chapter 4. In this exercise 4b section 1 we are going to find the solutions of the section 1. It is 2a Maths B. So start with the first section here, question number 1. So before starting to the exercise 4b, I want to tell some important notes here. So first one here, page number 108. So page number 108, you go there, where is you find synthetic division, synthetic division. So you will find, so please go through that one, you practice that one. And after that here 4.2.5 examples is given, that example, one example is given, that you find that one. And after that 6, 4.2.6, and here 7 also there. So some examples are given here, you find that examples also. So now here after that 8 example and 9 example, and here solved problems are 4.2.13 solved problems are there, solved problems. These problems also you do on practice pens, so it will very important for you. Now here up to these solved problems are with the sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one. So here, so ninth one is very important here. Ninth one problem, ninth one exam solved problem is very important, practice that one also. And here eighth problem, so in the 116th page eighth problem, here 117 page ninth problem. These two problems are very important, you practice those problems. And here 11th up to 11 solved problems are there, and another theorems are and examples also there again. So please before 4b you start 4b, so you do all these like pages up to 122 page, like there are examples and solved papers, solved problems, examples, and corollaries, some important theorems. So please these once you write in your notes or rough notes, once while if you write once now, so you will remind something about the theorem that will help you in your board exam. If you write multiple times, you will get easily remember that one. So this is I want to tell you. So start with the first section here. So please guys do practice here. As much as you practice, you will get the like maths very easily. Okay, so start with the first section, first question here. Here section 1 first question is given that solve the x cube minus 3x square minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0 is given, and that the sum of first like two roots, any two roots is 0, he is saying that. Here solution will come like this. So given question is what, f of x will think that f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0 is given here. Okay na? So let the roots are alpha, beta and gamma. So he is saying that the sum of the two roots, here sum of two roots will become alpha plus beta is equal to 0, will take that. Okay, so here if these are three roots, we'll get the like s1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, no, so minus of minus 3 by 1. Okay, so this will become 3 will come. So here s2 is equal to, so st is equal to what will come here, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. So minus 16 by a is equal to minus 16 will come. So but here we need one thing here, alpha beta there, gamma there. So from this alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3, no, so alpha plus beta is equal to there, it will be 0 here. So 0 plus gamma is equal to 3. So one root is 3, we got one root as a 3, and we find the other two roots here. So here the equation is while equation coefficients we will take here minus 3, minus 16 and minus plus 48 here. So this one here 1, this is here minus 3, here minus 16 and 48 will take. So we'll do this one. So 3 I will take, 3 we got factor na, so I will do with this one. So it will become 0, it will become 1, 1 3 ja 3, so 3 will come. Okay, so 3 3 ja 3 minus 3, 0 will come, 0 into 3 0, minus 16 will come here. Okay, 16 3 ja 48 plus minus 48 here, it will become also 0 here. So what we will get here, x square and this is into x into something is 0 now, so minus 16 is equal to 0 will come here. X is equal to x square is equal to 16 will come. So x is equal to what we get, plus or minus 4 we will get here. So x is equal to plus or minus 4 will get. The roots will become, the roots will alpha comma beta, so gamma na. So in this minus 4, 4 and 3, these are the three roots we get, will get from this equation. Okay, so for this equation, okay na? So this is the answer here. So minus 4 comma 4 comma 3 are the roots. Now moving to the next question. So here we can take alpha minus beta, no, alpha plus beta is equal to 0, no. So here 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 also. So alpha is equal to, we can take 4, and alpha beta is equal to, we can take minus 4, and gamma is equal to 3. So this we have to know here. So we'll get here. So another second one question is here. So second question, find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r is equal to 0. So he's saying that may have the sum of 2 of its roots is 0. He is saying that may have. Okay. Now solution here, second question. So here the given function is f of x is equal to, so given equation is x cube minus px square plus qx plus x minus r is equal to 0. So alpha, beta, gamma are the roots for this one. So it will become alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, how much will come? So minus b by n, so minus of minus p by 1 will come here, equal to p will come here. So he is saying that may have the sum of the 2 of its roots are 0. So I will take alpha plus beta is equal to 0 from this. So here I will submit in this one, it will become 0 plus gamma is equal to p come. So therefore gamma is equal to how much? P. So here this gamma is a one root of this equation. So given equation. Okay. So that is x is equal to p, we think that. So here f of x, f of p I will submit in the equation. So it will become p cube minus p into p square plus q into p minus r is equal to 0. So it will become p cube minus, this is will become p cube also, p square into p cube plus qp minus r is equal to 0. So these two will get cancelled here. Qp minus r is equal to 0. From this we can write it as qp is equal to r. So this is a condition where we have to find. So find the condition is saying na, qp is equal to r is a condition here. Now moving to the next question, third one. Now third question is given that the roots of x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 in AP. So show that the 2p cube minus 3qp plus r is equal to 0 we have to show here. Now solution will come like this. So given f of x is equal to how much here? X cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 na. So this is one is given here, and he's saying that these are in the AP, roots are in the AP, means a minus d, a plus d are the these three roots. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma, like this. Okay, so these are the three roots in the like what we can say in the AP. So if sum of these roots s1 is equal to a plus d comma a minus d, so I take this one like this. Okay, is equal to minus b by a, means minus 3p divided by 1 here. So what will get here? So it will become sum of, no, sum will become here. So a plus a 3a. So plus d minus d will get cancelled. 3a is equal to minus 3p will come. So 3 will get cancelled. A is equal to minus p will remain here. So here a is one root of the, this a is one root of this equation. Okay, so that is this a. Okay na, so we added na, so that is this one. So x is equal to, we think that is a minus p. So one factor is, we'll think that. So here f of x is equal to x cube minus 3p x, plus 3p x square is there na, plus 3qx minus plus r is equal to 0 na. So in this we will submit x is equal to minus p. So means f of minus p is equal to minus p whole cube plus 3 into p into minus p whole square plus 3p minus q, minus p, this is minus p, here. So here plus r is equal to 0. So from this it will become minus p cube plus this is p square into 3p square. 3p cube will come. So it will become this is minus 3p into p square, minus 3p square will come now. So 3p q now, this is one q no. So this one q, this one p. So it will become minus 3pq will come plus r is equal to 0. So it will become 3p cube minus p cube. So it will become 2p cube minus 3 pq plus r is equal to 0. So this is the answer where we have to find the solution. So he asked us to show that this one only, no? So we got this one here. Okay, so this is answer. Now moving to the next question. In third question there is second question also is there, so we'll find that one. Now here third question is given that, so what is the third question is given? So that roots of this one are in the GP. He is saying that GP, show that we have to show here p cube into r is equal to q cube. So this we have to show here. Solution here. So given that equation f of x is equal to how much is given? X cube plus 3p x square plus 3q x plus r is equal to 0 no. So in this alpha, beta, gamma is the three roots. We'll think that if in the it is in the GP no. So GP will take that first a by d comma a comma ad. These are the three roots of this given equation. We'll think that. So here if we take here S3 though, so S3 is a alpha into beta into r no. So this 3 times. So here alpha beta r means a by d into a into so ad here. So dd will get cancelled, it will become a cube will come. So S3 is equal to how much? A cube. So a cube is equal to, so minus d by a na. So alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So this will come na. So d is equal to r here. So minus here is equal to minus r will come. So a cube is equal to minus r will come here. So a is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 minus r whole to the power of 1 by 3 will come. So here a is a one root of f of x no. So this a is the root of f of x actually. Okay, root of f of x. Now here, so I will submit a value in the f of x. So f of a is equal to, so means r power of 1 by 3 minus r power of 1 by 3. I will submit in this one to minus r power of 1 by 3 a is equal to, so that one is submit, it will become minus r whole power of 1 by 3 whole power of 3. So plus 3 into p into minus r power of 1 by 3 whole square na. So here whole square plus 3q into minus r power of 1 by 3 plus r. So r is equal to r only is equal to 0. So here it will become 3 3 ja will get cancelled here, minus r will remain plus 3p power of 2 by 3 minus r power of 2 by 3 here plus this is 3q minus r power of 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0 will come here. So from this here minus r plus r will get cancelled here, and here this will become plus 3p r power of 2 by 3 will come. Okay, so this will come here, and here this minus will come this side, minus 3q r power of 1 by 3 will come is equal to 0. So if we take this r, this total value to the 0, so it will become 3p r power of 2 by 3 is equal to 3q r power of 1 by 3 will come here, r power of 1 by 3 will come. So 3 3 will get cancelled here. Okay na. So here we'll do one thing. So here we will take cube on both sides. Here cubes on. Okay, it will become p cube into r power of 2 by 3 into 3 is equal to q power of 3 into r power of 1 by 3 whole power of 3. So this 3 will get cancelled, 3 3 will get cancelled, will remain here. So p cube into r power of so what will remain here, 2p square is equal to, so q cube into r will get, so r and square will get cancelled, p cube into r is equal to q cube will get. So this is answer where we have to show. So this one. Okay na. So this is answer here. Now moving to the next question, third one. Now third question is given that roots of this equation in HP, the HP. So here solution will become So given equation that x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0. So this is f of x. Okay, in this he's saying that roots of this one in the HP now. So here f of x, f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x whole cube plus in this I am submitting now 3p 1 by x whole square plus 3q 1 by x plus r is equal to 0 here. So from this we can take like so 1 by x cube we can write it as 1 by x cube plus 3p divided by x square plus 3q divided by x plus r is equal to 0. So here LCM is x cube, so x cube we can write it as like this. Okay na? So in this one will come like that only, it will become 3p x will come plus 3q x square plus x cube is equal to 0 r x cube. Okay na? So it will become we can say that like 1 plus 3px plus 3q x square plus r x cube will come is equal to 0. R x cube is equal to 0 here. So this is equation. Now the roots of this one. Now the roots of this given equation will think that this is, if this is in AP, so we'll take that as a minus d comma a plus d will take this. Okay, so here s1 is equal to a minus d plus a plus d will come here is equal to, so what will come here, I will take this one, so it will become like r x cube plus 3q x square plus 3px plus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking this as, so minus b by a means minus 3q by r here, minus 3q by r here. Okay na? So here d will get cancelled, will get 3a is equal to 3 minus 3q divided by r. So 3 will get cancelled. Here a is equal to q by r will come, q by r. So a is a one root of this equation, like a minus d a and a plus d na. In this is a is a one root of that one, means we can submit this q by r in this one like equation. Okay na? In this equation, so that will become in this equation r into minus q by r whole cube here, r into. So after that what we have, 3q into minus q by r whole square. Here another thing is a 3p into minus q by r plus 1 is equal to 0 here, 1 is equal to 0. So from this here r into, so r minus q divided by q cube divided by r cube plus 3q divided by q square divided by r square minus 3p q divided by r plus 1 is equal to 0. So this r1 r square will remain here, total minus q cube plus here 3 cube minus 3pqr plus r square is equal to 0 will come. So here denominator r square this LCM will करे तो this will become r square will come. So that r square will goes to the equal into r square na, so it will become 0 no, so that will come. So here so this will become 3 cube minus 2q cube will come, so minus 3pqr will come plus r square is equal to 0. Okay, so r square is equal to 0 and I will send this to the right side of the equation. So here 2 cube is equal to r into 3pq minus r will come. So this is the answer of that given question here. So he asking us to show that this is only here. Okay na, that's we showed here. Now moving to the next question, fourth one. Now fourth question is given that here find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qr minus r is equal to 0. So here given this may have the roots in the GP, he saying that may have the roots in the GP, he saying. So roots in the GP means here a by d comma a comma here what will come here, ad will come, so this will come here. Okay na, solution here. So given equation that x cube minus p x square plus qr minus r is equal to 0 no. Okay, this is f of x will take this. So in this given the roots are in the GP, okay, nice, these roots are in the GP, so this is alpha beta gamma will think that though. So here S3 will take here. S3 is equal to alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a, no? So minus d by a, a b c d, d by a. Okay. So here a by b, sorry, a by d into a into ad is equal to minus d by a, means minus r into r divided by a is equal to 1 here. From this dd will get cancelled, it will become a cube is equal to r. So minus into minus plus become r. So this r will come now. So r is equal to, will take this as a is equal to r power of 1 by 3. So a is a common factor. This is a factor for this given equation in the GP. So one factor we got now, we'll submit this value in the equation like this f of x. F of a is equal to how much? R power of 3, no? So I will submit in the x place. In the x place, r power of 1 by 3. R power of 1 by 3 whole power of 3 will come, minus here in this one I am setting p into r power of 1 by 3 whole power of 2 plus q into r power of 1 by 3 plus, sorry, minus r is equal to 0 here, minus r is equal to 0. So from this it will become 3 will get cancelled, r minus here p into r power of 2 by 3 will come plus q into r power of 1 by 3. So minus r is equal to 0, no? So this plus r minus r will get cancelled here. So from this this will here this will goes outside, it will become p r power of 2 by 3 is equal to q r power of 1 by 3 will come, q r power of 1 by 3 will come here. If we do both cube on both sides, it will become p r power of 2 by 3 into 3 is equal to q into r power of 1 by 3 into 3. So it will become, this is also cube, this is also cube. So 3 1 will get cancelled here, 3 1 get cancelled, p cube will come into r power, r square is equal to q cube r will come. So this r square will get cancelled, p cube r is equal to q cube will get here. So this is the answer of fourth question here. Now this is the condition of this, we have to find the condition, no? So this is the condition. So q cube is equal to, we can say the p cube into r also, we can write it as. Okay, now this is the end of this section 1. Now here second section first question is given that solve the 9 solution here. 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So given that 2 of its roots are equal, he is saying that 2 of its roots are equal. So we have to find this we have to solve this equation. Now here the sum of the roots are equal here given. So here this will take let we take that is as f of x is equal to 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here you see that this 9 and 15 and 7 and 1. So how many terms are there here? 9 plus 7 how much? 16 minus 1 minus 15 minus 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0, no? So here sum of coefficients are is equal to 0 here. Okay, now here therefore f of f of 1 is also will become 0 will come here. If we submit in the x place, we'll get 1 f of 1 is equal to 0. So means x minus 1 is the one factor of this given equation here. So how means f of 1 is equal to 9 into 1 cube minus 15x square means 1 square plus 7x means 7 minus 1 is this one. So here this will become 1 cube 9. So here 15 and plus 7 and minus 1. Total is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Minus 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0 will come. So this is I am saying like this. Okay. So here if f of x minus 1 is equal to some f of x minus is a one factor. So other factors we can find like this 9 and minus 15 and here 7 and minus 1. So I will do this here. So it will become 1 I will take. So it will become 0. It will 9 come. 9 1 9. So 9 will come here. 9 was like this. 15 minus 9 minus 6 here. Minus 6 1 minus 6 here. 1 will remain. 1 1 1 plus 1 will come here 0. Okay. So this is 1. So what we are getting 9 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 will getting here.
So this is one thing here we getting, okay na, x minus 1 also we getting here. So total if we do like this, so we will get this thing. Now here we can factorize this one. So factorization of this total term is, so we'll split the term like, okay na, 9x square minus, what can be 3 3 is 9, no, minus 3x minus sorry, plus 1 is equal to 0 will come here. 3x will come on to 3x minus 1 will remain here, minus 1 will come to 3x minus 1 will remain here is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 will come here is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 1 by 3 will come. So 2 1 by 3's r will come here. Now what he is saying here, so given that two roots are equal here, so these two roots are equal here. So first root is x is equal to minus 1, no, sorry, x is equal to 1, and another thing is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So these are the two roots are equal from this given equation. So he told like that only. So given the two roots are equal, so that two roots are this one, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now moving to the next question, second one here. Okay, now here second question is given that solution will take here like this. So given that 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0 is given here. Okay now, so we take this is f of x is equal to, okay, so here if so we'll see one thing here, this coefficients of this given equation are constant numbers, and here it will become 2 plus 3 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 0 will coming na. So 2 3 plus 5, yes, coming. So means x minus 1 is equal to 0 is a factor for this one, and x minus 1 is a factor for the equation, given equation. Now if I submit in the f of 1 in the x place, I will submit in the 1, 2 1 whole cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to f of is equal to x1 is equal to 0 will come here. Now here if f of 1 is equal to 0 though, so I will take this type of like I am using this method to find the other factors, 2 3 minus 8 and 3. So it will become here 1 na? So 1 0 here, 2 1 ja 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 1 ja 5 plus 5 means here minus 3 will come, 3 1 ja 3 come, minus 3 will come here, it will become 0. So what we have got here, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 we got here is equal to 0. So this equation we got. So x minus 1 into 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0, no. So in this we have to factor this one. First factor we got here 1, and another we have, another will do here. So 2x square minus plus 5x minus 3 no is equal to 0. In these factors we find this 2x square plus 6x minus x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this 6x minus 3 is equal to 5. Split the term, 3 2 ja 6 no, so that's why 6 I did, 6 1 ja 6 and 6 minus 1 5, this one. Now here if I common 2x from these two terms, it will become 2 1 cancel, it will become x plus 2 will remain here. Here minus 1 will come on to x 2 to jana, so minus here, so plus 3 will remain here is equal to 0. So from this 2x minus 1 into x plus here x plus 3, this one x plus 3 will remain here is equal to 0 here. So x is equal to 1 by 2 will come, x is equal to minus 3 will come. So another is x is equal to 1 will come here. These are the three like important like these roots of this equation here. Now moving to the third question here. So here fourth one we'll do first, 3 will do last one because it is bigger than, like we have to do another with another method. First we do fourth one here. So fourth one, first question is here question is saying that solve the following equation given that the roots of each are in the AP. He is saying that. Now solution here, solution will come like this. So given equation is f of x, I will take this one, 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 is equal to 0 here. He is saying that, what he is saying that the each root of the are in the AP means. So here let roots are a minus d comma a plus d will come here. So these are the three roots here. So from this s1 is equal to sum of roots is equal to, so a minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus b by a, no, so is here minus 36 divided by 8. Okay, so will come like this, it will become this will become what will come here, it will become, so dd will get cancelled, it will become 3a is equal to minus ante plus aitadi, so plus 36 divided by 9 8, so 8 4 2 ja 4 9 ja is equal to 3a is equal to 9 by 4 will come, so 3 1 ja 3 3 ja will get cancelled, so a is equal to 3 by 4 is the answer here. So here 3 by 4 means no it will 4 2 ja, no? So 4 2 ja will come, so this is 4 2 ja, so 3 2 ja, like this will come, 3 by 2 will come here, a is equal to. Now from this S3 also we do here, S3 means alpha beta gamma, no? So here a minus d into a plus d will come, so is equal to how much will come here, minus 81 divided by 8 will come, minus 81 divided by 8 will come here. So from this so what will be the answer here, a into a plus a into a square minus d square will come here, so is equal to minus 81 divided by 8 will come here. So friends, why I am doing this process means I got a value, so where a value is equal to this one, a is equal to 3 by 2 I got here, so a value we got here, and another d value if we got, though we will get another like 3 roots from for this equation we'll get here only, so that's why I'm finding d value here. So a value what I have got here 3 by 2, no? So I will submit a value in this equation. So if 3 by 2 into, so a square means 3 by 2 whole square minus d square will come here is equal to minus 81 by 8 here. So it will become 3 by 2 will goes there now, it will become 3 by 2 whole square minus d square is equal to minus 81 by 8 into, so this 2 by 3 will come here, it will become reciprocal here. If we come to right, to if we right side of the equation, it will become reciprocal, it will become 2 by 3. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja will goes, and here 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 3 7 ja 27 3 7 3 ja 21. Here how much we got, 3 by 2 whole square minus d square is equal to, so what we have got here 27 by, so 4 means here minus 27 divided by 4 we got here, okay. 3 7 21, okay, right. So here this will goes here, minus d square is equal to right side of the equation 3 by 2 whole square, so minus 27 divided by 4, it will be reciprocal, it will become 4 divided by 3 square is equal to 9 here, 3 square is equal to 9 will come here. Here, hey students, it is not reciprocal, here it will become plus, now it will become to minus, it will become minus 9 by 4 will only come here, so please concentration, so I did mistake here, so it will in the minus, now it will become plus, minus d square is equal to minus 27 divided by 4 minus 9 by 4, okay. 4 is the LCM of this one, it will become minus 27 minus 9 is how much here, 36 minus 36, okay. So here d square is equal to, so minus d square is equal to minus 36 divided by 4 is there now, so minus minus will get cancelled, and from this d is equal to under root of 36 divided by 4 will come. So here d is equal to 36 4 by means here 6 by here 2 will come, so plus or minus will come here, so 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so d is equal to how much, plus or minus 3 here. Now so what we have got, a is equal to how much, what 3 by 2, no, and d is equal to plus or minus 3 we got here. So in the two cases we have to find out, once we have to take d is equal to 3 minus 3 and other one 3 here. So in the case one we you submit in this one, I will case one in the case one I will do here what I take, a is equal to 3 by 2 and d is equal to plus 3 I will take, and I will do this 3 find, I will 3 roots here, a minus d comma a plus d. So in this I will submit, a is equal to how much, 3 by 2 minus d is equal to 3, so 3 by 2 here, 3 by 2 plus 3 here, okay. So 2 3 are 6 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 come, 3 by 2 will come, and 3 3 are 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 3 9 by 2 will come here, one thing 9 by 2, 2 are 6 plus 4 3 9. So these are the 3 like in the case 1. Case 1 means I took here d is equal to 3. Now you take d is equal to minus 3 and do, you will find those 3 another 3 roots also. So that is the answer for this fourth question. Now moving to the fifth question here. In the fourth question only there is second question also there. So that is second question solution here. So x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay na? So it is, we'll think that f of x is equal to 0, this one. So in the fourth question we did in the first question. So what we have to take, what we took here. So this is 3 3 roots we took here. Okay, so after that adding this we got 3 by 2. So if we have to do 3 by 2 for this, like 8 minus 36 minus 18 81. So if we do this one, so it will go for long. So that's why I did this process. Okay, now I will do for like fourth question second one. So I will do another easy process like this solution here, like what we'll do here. So what are the roots? He's saying that the roots are in the AP, no? So AP means a minus d comma a plus d. So these are the 3 roots here. Okay, now I will add these 3 roots. Sum of these 3 roots is equal to a minus d plus a plus 3d, a plus d here. Okay, so what will come here? Minus 3 by a, so means 1 is equal to plus 3 will come here, plus 3 will come. So after this minus d plus d will get cancelled here, 3a is equal to 3 will come. So a is equal to 3 by 3, no? So 3 1 will get cancelled, it will become 1 here. So a is equal to 1 means, so x is equal to 1. So one factor we got here. Okay, one factor or one root we got here. So we can use this this method now. So 1 minus 3 minus 6 and 8. So I will take 1 here. So 0 will come. So it will become 1. 1 1 1. Here 1 minus 2 1 2. So here minus 2 will come. So it will become minus 8. So 8 1 8 minus 8. So it will become 0 here. So here x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 will come here. So what we have got equation x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, no? So this is one thing that here x minus 1 also one factor for this one or root for this one. So if we split the term to x minus 1 into, so it will become x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 we can take. So this here this one minus 2x will come here, this one splitting the term. So 8 1 here 8, no? So that's why splitting the term, you know, no? So 8 1 8, 4 2 8. So 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 will come. So here minus 2x will there. So here xi will come on from these two terms. X minus 4 plus 2 will come to x minus 4 is equal to 0 will come. So x plus 2 here and x minus 4 will come here. These are the two factors, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 4. These two factors will come here. So one factor is like one root is x minus 1. X minus 1 is the one root. X minus 1 is equal to like x is equal to 1 is the one root, and x is equal to minus 2 is the one root, and x is equal to 4 is the one root here. So this is simple here. So you can do this one, this process, or else you can do this first process. Any process will work out for you. So please, whichever easy for you, you do that process. Okay. Now moving to the fifth question. Now fifth question is here. So he's saying that roots are in the each are in the GP. So I will do first question in different first question and second question are there. Two questions are there in this one. So first one, second one. So I will do this in the one method, and the second one is in the another method. So whichever you feel good for you, so you do that one. So here first one I will take. First one is given question is that solution here. First question is given that what x 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 is equal to 0 we get here given here. So here he is saying that roots are in the GP. So GP means a by d comma a comma ad. So ad, these are the three roots of this geometric progression of equation, this one roots. Now here s1 is equal to, we'll take here a by d plus a plus ad will, okay, a is d is equal to, so s1 is equal to what, sum of the roots means minus here what will come, minus of minus b by n, so 26 by 3 will come here. So it will become 26 by 3 will come here for us. Now if we do this one, so like it will become a plus a 3a 2a, like it will come as a plus ad plus ad square will come here. Okay, ad square divided by d is equal to 26 by 3 will come here, 26 by 3. Now after we find like sum of products, sum of the like this root, sum of roots we did na, so now product of the roots here. So a by d into a into ad here. Sum of the roots, like sum of the roots is equal to minus product of the roots is equal to minus
what we can say, minus d is a b c d. Now d by minus d by 24 divided by a, so a is equal to 3. So minus into minus plus 24 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 24 here. 3 8 ja 24. So means here d will get cancelled. A cube will come, a into a cube is equal to 8. So a is equal to how much will come? A is equal to 2 will come. So that 2 is the here one value will come here. That is here what we have got, this s1 is equal to a plus ad square by d is equal to 26 by 3 we got now. So here I will do one thing. I will submit these two into this given equation. Okay now, so we got s1 in the s1. So s1 here it will become a is equal to 2 now, 2 plus 2d square divided by 2 is equal to 26 by 3 will come. So cross multiplication will do, so it will become 3 into from this all these things here 2 will come. Okay, so here d is there, sorry not 2, it is d here. So if I cross multiplication to 3 into 2 plus 2d plus 2d square is equal to 26, d will come here. So after this we multiply, so it will become 6 plus here 6d plus 6d square is equal to 26d. So if I bring this into the left side of the equation, it will become 6d square minus 26d. Here minus 20d will come and plus 6 is equal to 0 will come here. Here 6 6 ja, or else we'll do here one thing. So we can do here, will common 2 from these all two terms. Now it will become 2 common, so d is 3d square minus 10d plus 6 3 is equal to 0 will come here. So 2 will goes here by 2 will become 3d square minus 10d plus 3 is equal to 0. So here 3 3 ja 9 no, so 3d square minus 9d minus d plus 3 is equal to 0 will come. 3d will come, so here it will become 3d, so it will become 3 will come, 3 means d will come, d minus 3 will come, minus 1 will come, to d minus 3 will come, he is equal to 0 here. So here d is equal to 3 and another d is equal to 1 by 3 will come. So these two factors will come here. So one factor is what here, s1 is equal to one factor is here 2. So another here this one. So here two cases already became, a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3 will take, to this is case 1 we think that. So here case 1 what is the what are this one? So a by d, so here this d, a by d is the first factor, like root means 2 by 3 and another thing a, so a is equal to 2 and another thing ad is equal to 2 3 is 6. These are the three what we have another case 1 roots here. Now in the case 2 you do this one, like getting take 3 and 1 by 3. So a is equal to 2 no, so this 2 and 1 by 3 you take and you will do the answer. So reverse of this equation will come here, reverse of these roots, like how will come means a by d means 2 by 1 by 3, so it will go upside, it will become 6. Another thing a is equal to 2 no, we know already. So here ad 2 into 3, so 2 by 3 will come here. So these are the another important case 2 roots will come here. So 6 2 and 2 by 3. So this is end of the fifth question, and in this second question also there na. So this second question will do na another method. Okay, so here solution is coming like this. So what is the given f of x is equal to? So f of x is equal to 54 x cube minus 39 x square minus 26x plus 16. Okay, so we'll take this one. So he's saying that the roots are in the GP. Roots are in GP, geometric progression. Okay, so here the roots will become, so a by d comma a comma ad will come here. These are the three roots. So here we'll take that S3 product of the roots. Product of roots will become, so a by d into a into ad here. So it will become dd will get cancelled here. So okay, so in this ad is equal to what will come here? Here minus 16 by 54 will come here. So if you cancel, so it will become 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 8 2 ja 16. So here 8 not going na, so it will become 2 8 ja and 2 27 ja 54 here. So it will become 3 8
a into a cube. A cube is equal to, here 8 divided by 27 will come. Here minus will come. Here minus will come. From this, a cube is equal to, so here minus 8 divided by 27 na? So I will write this as 2 power of 3 divided by 3 power of 3, so minus half. So it will become minus 2 by 3 whole power of 3 will come. Okay na? So a cube is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power of 3, no? So this 3 will come this side, this root will come, third root will come, cube root will come here side, and it will become a is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube whole power of 1 by 3 will come. Okay na? 3 1 ja will get cancelled, it will become minus 2 by 3 will come. A is equal to, so this is one factor of this given equation here. Okay na? We'll take this method to calculate this one. Here 54 minus 39 and minus 6 and 16 here. So here minus 2 by 3 na, so we'll take this one minus 2 by 3. So here 0 will take, is will become 54. 54 into this one minus 2 by 3 into 54. 30 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 24 means 36 will come. 18 2 ja 36. Minus 36 will come. So minus 36 this one will become minus 75 now. Minus 75 will come. 75 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into 75. So 2 3 1 ja 325 ja. 25 2 ja minus 50. Here minus 50 will come here. Minus 50. Here minus 1 minus 50 will come. Here minus into minus plus. So means plus 50 will come. So here it will become 50 minus 6 is equal to 44. So 44 into 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 44. So 44 will come now. So what will be the answer will come here? 44 like. So here this is the 26 I took wrong here, my dear students. Okay, I am sorry. So it will become minus 26, 24 will come here. Okay na, I am very sorry, I didn't saw that. So here minus 2 by 3 into 24 actually. So 2 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 24, 8 2 ja 16. So here minus 16 will come, it will become 0 here. Means 54 x square minus 75x plus 24 is equal to 0 will come here. So I will common 3 from these all 3 terms, it will become 3 into 3 but then the 18x square minus 25x plus 3 8 24 is equal to 0 will come. So 18x square minus 25x plus 8 is equal to 0 is the equation we got here. Okay, so one root is this one here na, so we have to find the other two roots, no? So the product of this a and d, so a and d means for the 18 8 ja 144. So okay, this factor will come as it with the 25. 19 6 ja, the 96 144 will come, yes. Okay, 19 plus 6 25. So I will do here 18x square minus 25. I split the term like 9x minus 16x plus 8 is equal to 0 here. 8 is equal to 0 here. I will common 9 from these two terms. 9x I will common, to 9 2x minus 1 will come here. 8 I will common, minus 8. So it will become 8 2 just 16, no? So 8 2x minus like 1 is equal to 0 will come. So 9x minus 8 and 8 is equal to 0, and here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 here. So x is equal to 8 by 9 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the three roots of this equation. First one is minus 2 by 3 and 8 by 9 and 1 by 2. So this is another method of this fifth question. So you do first question like same like this second question, and second question like first like. So if you do like this you do in the first question like method. Okay, you will practice in your rough notes, you will get the answer style same one. So if not, comment me in the section, I will give the like solution for this one also. Now moving to the sixth one here, very important sixth question here. Now here sixth question is given that solve the equations given that they are in the HP. He is saying that the given questions are, so first question and second question also there here. I will do first question, you do in the second question, same like equal questions. I will do first question. Okay, solution here. So here given that 6x cube minus 11x square. So here given that f of x is equal to, I will take 6x cube minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 is equal to 0 na. So this I will take f of x is equal to. Now here he is saying that the roots are in the each are in the HP. So I will take f of 1 by x is equal to, I will take here. So 6 into 1 by x whole cube minus 11 into 1 by x whole square plus 6 into 1 by x minus 1. Okay. So in this here it will become 6 into x cube, 6 by x cube minus this is 11 by x square plus 6 by x minus 1 here will come. So from this I will take here it will become 0 and it will become 0 here. X cube, this LCM is x cube will become here, it will become 6 minus 11x plus 6x square minus 1 x cube will come is equal to 0. So this x cube goes there here, it will become minus x cube plus 6x square minus 11x and here plus 6 is equal to 0 will come. So here this f of x is equal to, okay na. So I will take minus common from this, means it will become x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0 will come here. So these are the this is equation in this one is. After doing this we will take this as a minus b comma a comma sorry minus d comma a plus d, these roots for this one, like those roots are in the AP, okay, for this one. So it will become sum of roots s1 is equal to will come like this, a minus d and plus a plus d. So same process you will do for the next one, second one, okay. So it will become minus b by a means minus 6 into minus of by a minus 1 is equal to plus 6 will come here for s1. So this will become minus d plus d will get cancelled, 3a is equal to 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, so a is equal to 2. So we got one factor for this one here, okay. Now we'll do s3. So product of the roots for this equation, okay na. So product of the roots means what, here a minus d into a into a plus d is equal to how much will come from this, no, it will become minus d by a. So here minus of minus 6 is equal to plus 6 here. So 6 will come here and a plus d into a minus d is equal to a square minus d square into a will come here. So what is the a value here, 2, no. So I will submit in this one. So here if I submit 2 though, it will become 2 square minus d square into 2 is equal to 6, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So here d minus d square is equal to 3 minus this 2 square will goes here, so 4 will become. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So minus d square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 will get cancelled, d is equal to under root of 1, so it will become plus or minus 1 will come here. So d is equal to plus or minus 1 na. So here a is equal to how much, 2, and d is equal to 1 will take 2. So the roots will become a minus d. A minus d means 2 minus 1 and 2 and 2 plus 1 here. So it will become 1 comma 2 comma 3 will come here. So again you will do a is equal to 2 and d is equal to minus 1 you take and will do. So it will become 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1 and 2 and here 3 minus 2 minus 1. So 3 comma 2 comma 1 will come here. So these are the two cases we will get the answers of this one, 1 2 3 and 3 2 1 here. Now here these roots we got this like this na. So here the roots are in the given equations are like so for this f of x, no, we have to find the f of 1 by x, no. So these roots are will become 1 by 2 and 1 and 1 by 3 will come here, okay na. These are the roots for this harmonic progression. Now moving to the second question. This second question you will do here, I am saying that this second question you will do easily. So in the sixth one, okay, I will go for the seventh one, okay. Now seventh question is given that solve the equations given that they have multiple roots here. Solution here, so I will do in the easy method. So given that question is f of x will take here is equal to x power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 is equal to 0 here. So this is f of x and I will do this is f dash of x. It will become 4 into x cube minus 3 6 18x square plus 13x 13 into 2 26x here, sorry, okay, minus this 24 here is equal to 0. This constant will become 0 here. This 24 will come here. Now in this I will do here so if we take 1 though, so it will become 1 power of like 6 13 13 6 7 7 like. So here 1 is not root for this one, so it is not. And if I take x minus 2 though, please check x minus 2 will coming for root is this for this equation or not. So here x minus 2 is also not a factor for this one. X minus 3 I did here, this will factor for this equation, so I will submit f dash of x of 3 is here. It will become 4 into 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27. So 27 minus 18 into 3 3 ja 9 here plus, and here if I submit in the 3 place, so it will become okay 3, okay into 3 26 3 ja 3 6 ja 27 26 78 will come. 78 minus 24 is equal to 0 here, so it will become 427 ja 108 will come 108, and it will become 89 ja 162 minus 162 will come plus 78 minus 24 is equal to 0. So it will become, so if you do so it will become 78 means here it will become, and these two terms 6 21 86 186, this is also 186, 186 minus 186 is equal to minus 186 is equal to 0 will come here. Now we'll submit f of x, okay now in the 3 plus this one, so it will become 3 power of 4 81 minus 3 3 9 9 3 27 27 into 6 is equal to minus 162, and here plus 117 will come, and minus 72 will come here, minus 72 not 27 72 plus 16 will 36 will come here is equal to 0, okay is equal to this 36 is equal to 0 will come. 24 3 ja 72, so this one is equal to, it will also f of 3 is also will become 0 here, okay will become also 0. Therefore x minus 3 is a factor of this given equation, okay. So now I will take this method, okay here 1 minus 6 13 minus 24 36, so 3 is a factor, so will 0 here 1, so 1 3 ja 3, here minus 3 will come, minus 3 3 ja minus 9, here 4 will come, so 4 3 ja 12, okay 12 will come here, and here 12 means 12 will come, minus 12 12 3 ja 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So again we'll take here for the multiple roots now, so here I will take 3 also, 0 will come here minus, so 1 1 3 ja 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, 0 into something 0 here, so it will become 4 4 3 ja 12 plus 12 will come, it will become also 0 will come. So this is 1, so x square plus 4 is equal to 0 we getting here, this x square plus 4, so this 4 will goes here, x square is equal to minus 4, x is equal to under root of minus 4 means it will become we can write it as I square 4 no, so if it will come out, so it will become plus or minus 2i will come here 2i. So here factors are x is equal to 3 1, x is equal to 3 1, our roots are like and x is equal to plus or minus 2i. So these are the multiple roots of the equation, given equation. So now moving to the second one, second one here. Now second question is given that solution here 3x to the power of 4 plus 16x cube plus 24x square minus 16 is equal to 0. I will take this as f of x is equal to, so means f dash of x is equal to 3 4 ja how much 12 na, so it will become 12 x cube will come plus 16 3 ja 48 48 x square will come plus 2 4 ja 48 else 48 x will come, so minus this will become 0 no, so 0 will come is equal to 0. So here what we have got 12x cube na plus 48x square na plus 48x na, so in this I will common, what we will common here 12 common, okay 12 x will common, so 12x will common, so it will become x square, this is 48, this is 48 2 12 4 ja 48x 4x will come plus it will become 4 will come here, so f dash of x is equal to, so this is total here x plus 2 whole square, this total x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 no, So this is total. Here 12x into x plus 2 whole square will come. So here x plus 2 is a factor, no? So x is equal to minus 2 we can submit. If x is equal to minus, will submit, so it will become 0. So f dash of minus 2 is a factor for this one, means 12 into minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 it will become 0 whole square. So this total is equal to 0. F dash of minus 2 is equal to 0. F of x also, f of 2 is also will do here. F of 2 is means 3 into 2 power of 4 plus 16 into 2 power of 3 plus 24 2 square minus 16 is equal to 0 here, no? So this is a minus 2 here, everything is a minus 2, okay, minus 2. So it will become 2 power of 4 is equal to 16, okay, 2 power of 4 is equal to 16 will come, and here 2 power of 3 is equal to 8 minus 16 into 8 plus here 2 to the 4 424 into 4 minus 16 is equal to 0, and so this total will become 16 3 is 48. So it will become 128. Here this 4 4 is 16, 6 4 4 is 1, 4 to 8 96 plus minus 16 is equal to 0, no? So this total will become 0 here, okay. Total will become, this is how much, 1 minus here minus 16 is equal to how much will come, 1, no? So it will come 4 4 144 will come. So this is also 144 will come here. So 144 minus 144 is equal to 0 will come. So means minus 2 is a factor of this given equation. So I will take this total equation like this method, using this method. 3 16 24 minus 16 here, minus 16 here. So here x square, there is a x term, no there, na, not there, na? So we will take x term here, x term also, this is 0, okay. Minus 16 is another one. So here minus 2 will take 2, it will become minus 2 means 0 here, 3 2 ja 6, 6 means minus 6 will come here, 10 will come, 10 2 ja minus 20, minus 6 10 2 ja 20, it will become minus 20. Here 4 will come, 4 2 ja 8. So here 0 there, na? So minus 8 will come, minus 8, 0 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 to the sorry plus 8 will come, na? Minus 8 will come, na? So minus 8 only will come, minus into minus plus minus 2 into minus 8 will become plus 16 is equal to 0 will come here. So you see a multiple rate, na? So we have to do another with the 2. So here minus 2 though it will become 2 0 will become here 3 3 to the 6, here minus 6, here 4 4 to the 8 minus 8. So here minus 8 means minus 4 will remain, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. So it will go minus 8 plus 8 will become 0. So 3x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0 is a one answer he is coming here. Here this is multiple roots, minus 2 comma 2 we already got here. From this also we'll get another roots, x3x square plus 4 to the 12, na? 3 4 to the 12. So we can write it as 6 to the 12, okay, 6x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from this 3x I will common from these two terms, it will become x plus 2 will come, we got here minus 1 I will common to minus 2 I will common to x my x plus 2 is equal to 0 will come here. Now 3x minus 2 and x plus 2 here. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. So these are the other two factors. Total factors are here 4. So multiple factor 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 and 2 by 3 are the 4 factors we'll get from this. Here this is x plus 2, no? So it will be also minus 2 will get here. So minus 2 is another thing. So multiple roots of this equation are this minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 by 3. These are the 4 roots of seventh question here. Now moving to the next question. So dear students, the study equation will remain here. So solve the x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24x is equal to 0. So given that 2 of its roots are in the ratio of 3:9. So please students, this is very important question. You can expect in the 2 marks for your board exams. Please concentration on this one. So given equation is x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24x is equal to 24 is equal to 0 is given. So here he is saying that roots are alpha, beta, gamma roots are here there. So for this equation, and he is saying that ratio, in the ratio 2 roots are in the ratio of like alpha is equal to 2 beta, like what we can say alpha by beta is equal to 3:2 something like this, okay. So here alpha beta is equal to alpha is to beta is equal to so what we saying 3:2, no? So it will become okay na. So from this beta is equal to, we can take it as 2 alpha divided by 3 we can take. Okay, so here beta is equal to alpha beta, no? So it alpha is equal to beta, then alpha beta by 3 is equal to beta is equal to 2 by 3, so 2 alpha by 3. So you do this one, you will get the alpha beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3 will come here. Okay na. So now here, so how it will be means alpha by beta is equal to 3 by 2, no? So 2 alpha is equal to 3 beta, beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3 will come here. Okay na. So here, and another thing here, sum of the sum of this roots is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much we will get here, minus here minus b by a, no? So it will become 9 will get here. Minus of minus 9 means here minus 9 na? So minus of minus 1 minus 9 is equal to plus 9, so 9 will get, and other this is s1 is equal to s2 is equal to, will get alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to how much will get here, 14 by a, no? So it will become 14 c by a. Okay, and here s3 is equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to how much we will get here, 24 by 1 is equal to minus 24 by 1 is minus 24 will get here, minus d by a, so minus d by a, so here minus 24 will get here. So this I will take it as 1, and this is 2, and this is 3 here. Okay, now here question is this this one, and here I will submit the value of beta is equal to in the second equation. So it will become so here alpha beta, so alpha is equal to how much we got, alpha is equal to so beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3 is there na? I will submit in this first s1. Okay, s1 is equal to will come as beta is equal to, no, alpha plus 2 alpha divided by 3 plus what we have, gamma is equal to 9. So here 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 3 alpha plus 2 alpha 5 alpha divided by 3 plus 8 is equal to, sorry, gamma is equal to 9 here. Okay, now in this we got from this we can get gamma is equal to, so gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 alpha divided by 3 will get here. Okay na. So this will get here, gamma is equal to, so from we can take so here this gamma value and beta value I will submit in the second equation. So s2 is equal to what, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha na? So in this 14 na? So here I will take beta value as a alpha into beta value as 2 alpha divided by 3 I will take, plus from this gamma I will take here common, so it will become beta plus alpha here is equal to 14 na? So in this alpha into alpha, 2 alpha square divided by 3 plus gamma is equal to how much here, so where is gamma value, here gamma is equal to how much, 9 minus 5 alpha divided by 3 will we get here, and alpha plus beta is equal to, so alpha plus beta is equal to from here what will get beta is equal to how much, 2 alpha by 3 na? Here alpha is equal to how much here, beta is equal to alpha into beta, no? So here alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3, no? So 3 1 ja 3 alpha plus 2 5 by here into 5 alpha divided by 3 will come here is equal to 14. So this value will come here. So from this 2 alpha here LCM 39 so it will come here. Here LCM is become 2 alpha square plus 9 minus 5 alpha divided by 3, and it will become LCM 3 na? So 3 will goes there, it will become 5 alpha is equal to 42 will come, 14 3 ja 42, so 42 will come here, and now 3 9 ja 27, it will become 2 alpha square plus 27 minus 5 alpha divided by 3 into 5 alpha is equal to 42 here is equal to 42. So here we can do one thing here, here 2 alpha square, so from this I am writing here, so this one, so 2 alpha square plus 3 9 27, so 27 into 5 alpha, 27 into 5 alpha will come 135 alpha, so 135 alpha minus 5 5 25 alpha, so is equal to so not is equal to, so is equal to, so here 3 there na, 42 42 into 3, this 3 will go right side of the equation, okay na. So it will become 3 to just 6 will come here, this 3 is there na, for all LCM again will come here, so it will become goes to 142 into 3 will come here, so 42 3 ja, so 126 will come, where 6x square plus 135 alpha minus 25 alpha is equal to 110 alpha will come, 110 alpha. So here this one 6x square minus, sorry, plus 110 alpha minus 126 is equal to 0 will come here, 0 will come here. So here guys, sorry, here it will become 25 alpha square will come here, 5 into 5, no, 5 alpha square here. Please reminding, thank you for reminding me. So it will become alpha square will come, so I forgot this one, it will become, so I will drop this, okay. So it will become minus 19x square, 19 alpha square plus 135 alpha, that is it will become 126 will come inside, 126 is equal to 0. So minus I will come to 19 alpha square plus, sorry, minus will come 135 alpha plus 126 is equal to 0 here, this one, okay. Now here factorization we have to do now, so this is big factorization. 126 into 19 we have to do first, 126 into 19, here 126 into 19 is equal to 2394 will come here, okay na. So this factor, this constant value in the a value, so it will become 119 into 126 is equal to 2394. So again we have to do factorization, no, this one middle term we have to split the middle term, no. So I will take 114 into 21, so we'll take 114 into 21, you multiply that one once, okay, same I will got here, 2394 will get, okay na. So I will split this term in this, okay, if I add though it will become middle term, so 114 plus 21, so 19 alpha square minus, here I will take it as 114 alpha minus 21 alpha plus 126 is equal to 0 here. So I will take common 19 alpha here, so alpha minus 6 here, okay, 19 6 144, here I will take 121, here I will common 21 common, so it will become minus 21, so alpha minus 6 will come here is equal to 0. So this will got here. This question is given that solve the equation, this is equation is given that the equation has a multiple roots, he is saying that here. Now solution here, so here you have to go for one in the textbook 121 page, there like example 4.2.20 is there example, so that example is like same this question, so please follow that question also, so it will very important question here. I am doing for this solution here, so here let f of x is equal to 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So we will take this one here, okay, this is f of x is equal to, now here f dash of x is equal to, f dash of x means derivative of this equation, it will become 24x square will come minus, this is 40x will come here plus 6 will come, so this 9 will constant, d by dx of first constant is here 0, okay, is equal to 0, or we'll take later this is equal to 0, okay. Now here f dash of x is equal to what we have got, 24x square minus 40x plus 6 is equal to 6, okay, this we will got here. Now from this I will take common here 2 I will common from this total term, it will become 2 I will common, so it will become 12x square minus 20x plus 6 will come here, 6 12 6 ja 36 na, so here 18 2 ja 36, 18 plus 2 20, so this I will split the equation, okay, in the form of 2 into 12x square and here minus 18x minus 2x plus 6, okay, so this will come here, so it will become 2 into, so I will common here 6x will come na, okay, 6x will come here, 6 2 ja x minus 6 3 ja will come minus 1 I will come on the 2x minus 2 I will come on, x minus 3 will come here, so So we common 3 from this also, na? It will become 3 will come here. 2 3 is 6, no? So it will 3. So here 1 I will come on, it will become 2x minus 3 will come here. So it will become 2 into 6x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 will come here. So this will come. So from this 6x minus 1 is equal to 0 1 come, and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 will come. So from this x is equal to 1 by 6, here 3 by 2 will come, x is equal to. So we got how many factors? 2 factors we got here. Okay. So if I submit this 3 by 2 into the f of x equation, so what will be the answer we'll do here? So we'll do here. Okay. Now f of 3 by 2. So f of 3 by 2. So x is a x is 3 by 2 is a factor. We'll think that. So if we take f of 3 by 2, so it will become 8 into 3 by 2 whole power of 3 minus 20 into 3 by 2 square plus 6 into what will come, 3 by 2 plus 9 will come here. 9 is there, so that 9. Okay, here it will become 8 into 3 power of 3 divided by 8 minus 20 into 3 power of 6. 3 power of 3 is 9. 9 in 9 by 4 plus 6 into 6 3 is 18 by 2 plus 9 will come here. So 8 will get cancelled. 4 1 ja 4, 5 ja, okay. So 2 1 ja 2 9 ja. So it will become 3 3 ja 27, 3 3 ja 3 3 ja, okay. So here minus 5 9 ja, 5 9 ja is how much, 45, plus 9 will come here, okay. 2 9 ja plus 9 also will there. So it will become 25 minus 45. Here how much will come here? So 8 1 15 come minus 15 come minus 15, this is 9 9 18. It will become total is equal to, so this is minus 18 will come, okay. Minus 18 and plus 18, it will become is equal to 0 here. So this will come. So therefore 3 by 2 x minus 3 by 2a is a factor of given equation. Now we have to find another 2 factors here. So that's I will do one thing. So we got x minus 3 by 2 is a one root we got here. So we'll take like this 3 by 2. So I will take this one here. I will take 8 minus 26 and 9 here. So 3 into, so I will do 0. So 3 into 0, 0 will come here. So it will become 8 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 8. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 12 will come here. So minus 8 will come, 8 into 3. So like this, 8 into same this one, it will become 3 4 12, minus 12 will come, minus 12 will come, and minus 6 will come, minus 6 into this 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into minus 6, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, minus 9 will come. So it will become 0 here, will come 0. See here, this x minus 3 by 2 is a factor of or root of f of x and f dash of x, for both it one, okay. So we can do another also here. So it will become 3 by 2. So I am doing this one f dash of x here, this one f of x, okay. We can say that is f of x are like multiple root of f of x, we can say. Here the question is that only has multiple roots. So multiple root means one root at twice time. So I will do here multiple times, like first I will do 3 by 2 and after that also I will do for 3 by 2. So you will take 0 here, it will come. So 8 into 3 by 2 is equal to how much will come, 12 come. So here I will take 12 for this one. So it will become minus plus 4 will come, plus 4 will come. 4 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 4, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja is equal to 3 2 ja 6. 6 means here 6 plus 6 will come here. So it will become 6 minus 6 0 here. 8x minus 4 will come here is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to 4 by 8 will come. So x 1 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So x is equal to how much, 1 by 2 come. So one multiple factors are 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So these two factors, and another factor is 1 by 2. So these are the three factors of given equation there. So this is I took from here, this is not f of x. F of x only have the two roots, multiple roots. So multiple roots means 3 by 2 I took as multiple times, like 2 times, okay. So this is answer of sixth one. Now move to the fifth one. Now fifth one, first question is one, show that the x power of 5 minus x 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 is equal to 0 now has the 3 equal roots, and find this root. So solution here. So this question is same like example 4.2.21. so same like example, please go through there and watch one same question. Values only will small change. Now here question is given that already find this root, we have to find now solution here. So what is given, f of x is equal to, let f of x is equal to x power of 5 minus 5 x cube plus 5 x square minus 1 is equal to 0, or so we will take f of x, that one. So from this f dash of x is equal to 4 x cube, so here 5 x to the power of 4 minus 3 into 5 15 x square plus 10 x minus 1, no, so it will become 0, so it will become plus 0 or minus 0. So this will come here, and so from this I will common 5x square or 5 here 4, no, so it will become 5x square plus, okay. So it will become here, I will take 5x, I will common from this x cube minus here will come as 5 3 ja, so 3x plus 5 2 ja 10 will means 2 will come here. So this will come, this is equal to 0, no, we know already this one is equal to 0. So f dash of x is equal to, we got that one, so 5x into x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here in the f dash of x I will take 1 as a like I will take 1 is a root for this one, equal roots is saying na, x is equal to 1 I will take, means x minus 1 is equal to 0, this one. So I will take x as a x is equal to 1 as a root for this one, okay. So then I will take I will submit x is equal to 1 in the equation, okay, given equation. So it will become 5 into 1 and plus 1 minus 3 plus 2, so is equal to 0. So this total is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So means f dash of x or f dash of 1 is equal to 0, and here x minus 1 is the root for f of x and f dash of x we can take, okay, f dash of x also. So f dash of x will come from the f of x only, no, if I do f of x derivative, f dash of x will come. So that root equal to this first f of x also, f dash of x is equal to root for the f of x also here. Now I will take, so here 1 as a take, I will do like this. So here 5 will come, so first, so not 5, first here 1 will come, so 1 of this x to the power of 5, after that x to the power of is there, that is 0 here. So x to the power of 3 is equal to minus 5, so the constant term is equal to minus 5, and x square constant term 5, so here minus 1 will come here. So x square after that x is there na, that is 0 also, here 0, and here minus 1 will remain. So 0 I will take here, it will become 1, 1 1 ja 1 here, so 0 minus 1 minus 1 here, okay, minus 1 or 1. So here 1 1 ja 1, so minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, so 4 1 ja 4 minus 4, it will become 1, 1 1 ja 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 into 0 1 1 ja 1, so it will become 0 will come here, okay. So it is equal roots, all are the equal roots, is saying that. So again we have to do, so this one like 1 1 minus 4 1 1, so 1 1 ja, so here we'll take 0, so 1 1 will remain, 1 1 ja 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 ja 2, so here 2 will come, this is minus 2, so 2 1 ja 2, so it will become minus 2, so it will become minus 1, minus 1 1 ja 1, it will become 0, minus 1 equal to 0, so this is minus 1 will come here. So now it will become x square, okay, x square plus not this is this constant x square x cube, so means it will become x cube, 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 here. So for this see here constant term is 1 1 2 minus 2 minus 0 1 plus 1 plus 1 and minus 1, it will be also 0, 0 is equal to 0 will come. So I will, if I submit x minus 1 in this one, so means x minus 1 is equal to x is equal to 1 I will submit. so it will also become 0. So here sum of like total all coming like 1 comma 1 comma 1 factors, total factors coming like all 1 is 1 is 1. So he is saying that all three are equal roots. So equal roots means one is a and one is a are three equal roots, no? So this we have to find, that root is 1 here, so x minus 1 here, that root is okay. Now moving to the next question here. Now second question is fifth one, find the repeated roots of this one. So x power of 5 minus 3x power of 4 minus 5x power of 3 plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the big equation, okay. So here solution, so f of x is equal to what will given, x power of 5 minus 3 into x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 3x 32x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a big equation, okay. So here in this see, first I will do f dash of x of this one, okay. So like example, so it will become 5x to the power of 4 will come minus 4 3 is 12, x to the power of 3 minus this is 15, x square will come, it will become 20, 54, 27 to the 54, no, 54x minus 32 is equal to 0 will come here, okay. So if I do derivation of 12, it will become 0, so constant term, no, so that's it. So here I will take x minus 2 as a factor of this one, okay. So this given equation. So sir, you why not you taking x minus 1 below, though I did in my rough notes like that. So x is x value is a bit, though it will not got here, so I took x minus 2, so then I got the answer of like 0 here. So I'm taking directly 2 here, that's why. So if I take f dash of x into like 2 though, so it will become 5 into 2 power of 4 minus 12 into 2 power of 3 minus 15 into 2 square plus 54 into 2 minus 32 is equal to 0. So here it will become 2 power of 4 is equal to what will, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 pi ja 80 minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 80, 8 12 8 ja 96 here. Here this is 15 for the 60 will come, and here 54 into 2 how much, 108 will come minus 32 is equal to 0. So this total will become if we do, so it will become 0 will come here, 0 is equal to 0 will come. So I will submit f of 2 is also f dash of 2 I did now, so f of 2 also I will do. So in this I submit that it will become 0 will come or not, I will check here. So 2 power of 5 minus 3x and means 3 into 2 power of 4 minus 5 into 2 power of 3 plus 27 into 2 square minus 32 into 2 will come plus 12 is equal to 0. So in this 2 power of 5 is equal to how much, 32. So this is 44, like 2 to the 4, 2 power of 4 is equal to 16, 16 3 is 48, okay. So 48 will come here, minus 40 will come here, this one, and this one is equal to 4 4 is 24, 25, 104, 108 will come. So plus 108 will come. So here minus 32, 64 will come, plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is also here. So if you add positive numbers, so it will become 152 will come, and another minus 152 will come, negative numbers is equal to 0 here. So f dash of and f of 2 do are equal here. So x minus 2 is a one factor here. So if I take this 2 as a like will do though, so here 2 I will take this division like method. So here this is 1 here. So after that minus 3 and minus 5 and 27, and here minus 32 and 12 here. So here 0 already we know, so 1 will come divide, so 1 plus 0 1, so 1 2 is 2, here 2 minus 1 will come here, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2, so it will become minus 7, 7 2 is 14, how much comes 7 2 is 14 minus 14, so minus 14 means 13, 13 will come, 13 2 is 26 plus 26 here, 26 means 6 will come, minus 6, 6 2 is minus 12, so it will become 0 here. So he is saying that repeated roots, no. So first is the x is equal to 2 is a root, after that I will take x is equal to, it is a repeated root, again I will take root for this one 2, I will check for 2 here, okay na? So here 0 will come, so 1 plus 0 0 1 here, so 1 2 is 2, so it will come 1 will come, 1 2 is 2 plus 2 come, so here minus 5 will come, minus 5 2 is 10, minus 10 will come, so 3 come, 3 2 is 6, so this 3 2 is 6 plus 6 come, it will become 0 here. So 2 and 2 are repeated roots will coming for this given equation, okay. So after we'll getting total this one, so we will take x, this is a 3 constant plus minus 5x and x square plus x cube will come. So this is also will do for with the x minus 1 factor will take one check. Okay, so 1 cube plus 1 plus 3, so it will coming also 0 here. So I will take 1 and 1 minus 5 and 3 as like this same. So again we have to find multiple factors, repeated roots are not we have to. So here 0 will get 1, 1 1 ja 1 here, so 1 1 plus 1 2 here, 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 minus 3 will come, minus 3 1 ja minus 3, so it will become 0 will come. So again I will do with the 1 here, so 1, so 0 will take 1 will come here, so 1 1 ja 1, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 into 1 ja 3, plus 3 will come, so it will become 0. So what we have got, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 also one root here. So repeated roots are 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 1 and minus 3. These roots are coming from for this what we have got equation, that equation f of x is equal to this one. So how many roots? 5 roots are we got here. Okay na? So this 2 comma 2 is a repeated root and 1 comma 1 is a repeated root for this one. Okay, now move to the next question. So here dear students, if you take 1 for here f dash of or f of 1 is equal to also you take here, so this is also will lead to the 0. I told you that f of 1 is equal to in this equation it will not come 0, so but it will come 0. I did some mistake in my rough note, so now I will rectify it. It will come also 1 because 1 are coming, the 1 root is coming for this equation na? So compulsory 1 is the root for this one, so we can do first we are using the 1, after that 2 also we can use, but I did with the 2 here, that is also came answer for me. So if I do for with the 2 also, so after I took 1, so same means that 1 if we do 1 to will come answer, and minus 2 x is equal to 2 though will do, so that will also come answer here. So now moving to the next question here. Now third question is given that solve the given question is here solution. So given question is 18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0 now. So he given that the one root is equal to the half the sum of the remaining roots, half the sum of the given roots he is saying that. So that means so for given equation I will take the roots here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much will come here, here minus b by a, no? So minus 81 divided by, so 81 divided by how much will come, 18 will come. So here this will, if we cancel though it will become minus 9 by 2 will come. So minus 9 means 9 9 ja 9 2 ja, okay, 9 9 ja 9 2 ja. So here alpha into beta into gamma is equal to how much, minus d by a, no? So minus d by a, minus d is equal to how much here, d is equal to minus 60, so minus 60 by a is equal to 80. So here 6 3 ja 6 10 ja here, so minus 10 by 3 will come here. So here he is saying that one root is equal to the half of the sum of the other remaining roots, means alpha is equal to we can take it as 1 by beta plus gamma we can take, okay na? So this will take here, it from this we can write it as 2 alpha is equal to beta plus gamma also we can write here, okay? So please understand this one. So if alpha is equal to how much here, 1 by 2 beta plus gamma, no? So this here this one, so from this I will take I will submit this beta plus gamma is equal to, I will submit in the this first one, this equation, okay? So from this we will get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. So from this this is 3 alpha will come is equal to minus 9 by 2, no? So here 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, so alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2 will come na. So alpha is equal to how much we got, minus 3 by 2, no? So I will take this minus 3 by 2 into the this equation, so it will become 2 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to beta plus gamma will come. So it will become 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancel, minus 3 is equal to beta plus gamma will come here. So beta plus gamma is equal to how much, minus 3 here. So here beta gamma also will find here. So alpha is equal to, I will take this one here in this one minus 3 by 2 into beta gamma is equal to minus 10 by 3. So here it will goes to the right side, it will become beta gamma is equal to minus 10 into 2 by 3 into 3 will come here, minus 20 by how much will come, 3 3 ja 9 will come here, 3 3 ja 9, So this will got here, this we got here. So here minus minus will get cancelled. No, this will become plus here. So this will become plus. So here plus 20 divided by 9 will come here. Beta gamma is equal to. So what we have, beta gamma we have and beta plus gamma we have. So we can do one thing here. So beta minus gamma whole square is equal to, so beta plus gamma whole square minus 4 into beta gamma we can write na. So beta gamma. So in this I will submit. Okay. So beta minus gamma whole square is equal to, this one is equal to how much? Beta minus gamma is equal to minus 3 whole square and minus 4. This is 4 into beta gamma is equal to how much? 20 by 9. No. So 20 by 9. So this will come here. 3 3 is 9 minus here what will come here? 4 into 2 is 80. 80 by 9. So 9 9 is 81. 81 minus 80 divided by 9. So it will become 1 divided by 9 will come here. So where beta minus gamma is whole square is equal to. So beta minus gamma whole square is equal to how much? 1 by 9. No. So if a square will bring out, it will become 1 by 9 will come. It will become 1 by 3. So beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 3. So this one. So beta plus gamma is equal to how much? Minus 3. So if I cancel these two things, so beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3 and beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 3 will come here. So these two will get cancelled. It will become 2 beta is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3. So it will become 3 3 is 9 minus 8 by 3 will come here, minus 8 by 3. So beta is equal to how much will come? Beta is equal to minus 8 by 3 into 2 will come. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja is equal to minus 4 by 3 will come for the beta. So alpha is equal to how much got? We got alpha is equal to here minus 3 by 2. No. So alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2 we got, and beta is equal to what we have got? Minus 4 by 3 we got here. If I submit this beta value in this this equation, though it will become, so beta minus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3. Now in this I will submit beta value minus 4 by 3 plus gamma is equal to minus 3. If I take this to this one, though it will become gamma is equal to minus 3 plus 4 by 3 will come. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 by 3 will come here. So gamma is equal to also we got here. So gamma is equal to also minus 5 by 3. So these are the 3 roots of the given equation here. So what given equation? This given equation. So now this is given are the roots of equal half. Okay, this one. So now moving to the next question here. Now fourth question is given that find the condition in order to that the equation is given here. Solution I will take here directly here. So what is the equation here? Ax power of 4 plus 4b x cube plus 6c x square plus here 4dx plus e is equal to 0 is given here. So from this he is saying that may have two pairs of the equal roots like alpha comma beta and alpha comma beta. So these are the equal pair of roots will be alpha comma alpha, beta comma beta will come here. Okay. So these are the 4 roots have the same may have the pairs like alpha beta. So okay na. So in this here this constant has to be like 1 like something. I will divide this total equation by the a. So it will become what will come here means x to the power of 4 plus 4b by a x cube plus 6c by a x square plus this is 4d by a x plus e by a will come here is equal to 0. If I divide this one too, it will become. So sum of the roots here. So for this equation, okay na, sum of the roots is equal to how much will come here? Sum of the roots means alpha plus alpha, beta plus beta is equal to, so total will come as 2 into alpha plus beta will come here is equal to minus b by a. No, so minus b by a means here minus 4 divided by here minus 4b divided by okay, a is equal to how much here 4b. So this is minus b. No, so this total 4b by a will come and divided by 1 will come here, minus 4b divided by a will remain here. So after that here what we can do means here so here will come like this. So I will end here. So this question, so please guys, I will end this question here. I will take this question as next time. in this next video. So I will go for this one for next video. It will take lot of time, so I will go for the direct first question and second question. So we completed fifth question, third question, fourth question like this, but fourth question will keep here like this only. So please remind me afterwards. So this will take up to half an hour, so I will skip this one. I will go for the next question here directly. Now here third section, first question, solve the x power of 9 x power of 4. Here given question is here, if x power of 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 14x plus 48 is equal to 0 is given here. So this is given here. He is saying that given that the product of these two of the square roots is here 6. So product of the two roots is 6 here. He is saying that. So how many roots will come? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So 4 roots are will come because fourth root here. So here the sum of the roots is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus b by n. So it will become minus 1 by, so it will become 1 by 1 will come, so minus 1 will come here. So here product of the roots is, and here product of this alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to, so 48 will come here. So d by so ax square plus b plus cx square plus d e by a. So here e by a means 48 will come here. Now product of the two roots is given. So product of two roots. So what is the product of two roots here? So what is that? Will take his alpha into beta. So first root into second root is equal to alpha into beta is equal to product of these roots is equal to 6. Here I will submit this in this one. So alpha into beta, gamma into delta is equal to 48. No, so in this I will submit here 6 into gamma into delta is equal to 48. So from this gamma into delta is equal to 48 divided by 6 will come. 6 8 yeah 48. So gamma delta is equal to 8 will come here. Now here, so we got alpha into beta, so gamma into delta here na. So first equation will like this, x square minus x into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta into, so plus alpha beta is equal to 6 first equation, and second equation will come like this. Here x square minus x into so gamma plus delta plus gamma delta is equal to 8. I will take this one here. So these two equations will come here, is equal to 0 and is equal to 0. So this is 2 and this is 3 will think that, and this is first will think that. So from this 1 and 2 and 3, so here we can write it as like x power of 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 14x plus 48 is equal to, so here x square minus x into alpha plus beta is equal to, I will take p here, gamma plus delta is equal to, I will take q here. So means px plus 6 into, so x square minus x into q plus 8 is equal to, so will come here like this here. So here I will multiply this one here, x square into x power of 4 minus x square into minus qp x minus x cube q. So here x square into 8 plus 8x square, here minus px into x square minus px cube minus p and plus p x square p cube. So plus this into last one 8 minus 8 xp. Okay, so after that 6 into x square plus 6x square minus 6 into 6 qp is like 6qx plus 6 8 48. Okay, this will come here. So totally will come like this here, x power of 4 minus p plus q x cube, okay, and plus p cube plus 14 into x square will come here minus from this 8p. So 8p here 6q will come into x plus 648 will come here is equal to like something. So here we compare with the like what the values here we can compare here, like we'll compare x cube terms and x terms here. Okay, so x cube terms is here p plus q is equal to what we can get minus here this plus 1, so minus 1 will get here because this minus is there na, so that's why. Here another thing we'll get as 8q plus 6 8p plus 6q is equal to 8p plus 6q is equal to 14. So this will get here minus there, here minus there, it will become plus. So why I took this means here we can cancel this value and we will get pq values, means alpha plus beta is equal to gamma plus delta is equal to we get here. So from this 8p plus 6q is equal to 14. So here 14 only. So this not this one. So 14 only. So I'm sorry friends, this is not 14x, this is 4x only here. So means it is 4. Okay, so this is 4. So 4 means 4. This is, if I common 2 from this, so it will become 4p plus 3q is equal to 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So 4p plus 3q is equal to 2 will come. So from this 4q plus 3q is equal to 2 will come here. 2 will come there. So if multiply with this 4, so it will become 4p plus 4q minus is equal to minus 4 divided so 4p plus 3q is equal to 2 will come. So minus it will become cancel. 4q minus 3 q is equal to minus 6 will come. So where q is equal to minus 6. So where p plus q is equal to how much? Minus 1. No, in this I will submit q value. So p is equal to, so it will be minus 6 will go there, so it will plus 6 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. P is equal to 5 will come here. So p is equal to 5. So p is equal to what the value? Alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and gamma plus delta is equal to how much? Minus 6. So if we submit these values, okay, in this equations though, so it will be equations na? So if we submit in the equations, so we'll get the two equations. Okay, so first equation will get, okay, second equation will get in the alpha plus beta means like x square minus here 5, no, so 5x plus 6 will get here is equal to 0, and another thing will get x square minus minus na plus 6x and plus 8 is equal to 0. These equations will get here. So after solving these equations, after solving means if we find the roots, so like if we solve these equations, so we'll get the answer here. Okay, so from this these two equations, okay, so first one equation is x square minus 3x plus minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0 will come. So if x common, to x minus 3 will come here, minus 1 come, to x minus 3 will come here is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 will come, so this one. So from this 4 2 ja 8, no, 4 2 ja means x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So in this x I will come on to 4 x plus 4. In this 2 come on to x plus 4 is equal to 0 will come here. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 4 will come. So what are the roots are equations roots are here? Equation roots are minus 4, minus 2, 2 comma 3 here. So these are the roots of this what given equation here. Okay, now moving to the next question, first one. Now second question is given here, so solve this solution here. He asking us to solve like 8x to 8x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 here. So given that the two roots have the same absolute value here, he is saying that, but are opposite in sign. He is saying that same absolute values and but there are in a opposite signs, means alpha is equal to minus beta like this. Okay na, so we'll take this one later. So this is a condition here given. So suppose like we'll take alpha and beta and gamma and delta are the roots of this equation. So here the sum of the equation is alpha plus beta plus gamma comma plus delta is equal to how much? Minus b by a, no, so it will become minus of minus 2 by 8 will come here, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, so it will become 1 by 4 will come here. So 1 by 4, and product of this one alpha beta gamma into delta is equal to how much will come, means here 9 by a, so means 9 by 8 will come here. So this is the two important points we have to find here. So here he's saying that condition is alpha plus alpha is equal to beta, no, so alpha is equal to minus beta. So from this condition where the roots have the absolute value but are the opposite sign, these are the opposite sign, equal values these are but opposite signs. This is plus 1, this is minus 1 here. Okay, so now this will become alpha plus beta is equal to 0 we can write na. Okay na, so in this we can write it as alpha plus beta is equal to, we can write. So then for the delta gamma plus delta is equal to how much will come? 1 by 4 will come here. In this, if I take alpha beta is equal to p, beta gamma delta is equal to q, so the equations will come, two equations will come here. So first one, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is there na? So in this equation, so I will take here x square like that only, x square minus x in alpha plus beta is equal to how much we got here? Alpha plus beta is equal to 0, no? So I will submit in this 0, it will become 0. So here alpha beta is equal to, I will take p here, so it will become x square minus p here, x square minus p will get here, and after that I will do here, so it will become total 0 na? So this is plus alpha beta, so it will become plus p. Okay, plus p is equal to 0. So this is the first equation, we'll think that. And the next one is here x square minus x into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta will come here. So in this I will take this as a q, no? So this q, okay, here x square minus this gamma delta is equal to how much we got? Gamma and delta is equal to 1 by 4 minus x into 1 by 4 will come, and it will become q will come here, q is equal to 0 will come here. So here this is, if think that is a first equation, sorry I will take this is two equation, there is a third equation. So from 1, 2 and 3, so what will be the answer? We'll check. X into 8 into x to the power of 4 minus 2 into x cube minus 27 x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, no? So it is equal to, so this multiplication of these two equation 2 and 3. So second equation is what? X square plus p into x square minus x by 4 plus q here is equal to 0. So if you multiply this one, though, it will become x square into x square, x power of 4, x square into minus x cube divided by 4, x square into q, q x square plus x p into x square plus px square minus px divided by 4 and p into q plus pq will come here. Okay, so this will come here. Now in this we'll equate these values. First we'll write the values x power of 4 and minus 1 by x cube, 1 by 4 into x cube, here plus x square I will come on to, p plus q will come, and here p will come on to. So if you want to common p you can common, or else you will write that only p by 4 into x plus pq will come here. So here I will compare the roots of like coefficients of x values, this one here x values. So from these x values and in these x values will compare I will. Okay, so what will come here? Minus p by 4 is equal to, so here how much there? X value 6 there, x value is 6 there. Okay, so this is here 6, x value is equal to, so here minus p is equal to 24, so p is equal to 24 will come, minus 24. So in this p is equal to what we have? Minus 24 now, so we have to find q value also. There pq constant terms, this constant term is equal to, here this constant term where this equation is 9 by 9 here. So pq is equal to 9, I will take 9. So in this p is equal to 24 now, so q is equal to minus 24 divided by q. So q means like a 3, like a 9, here 9 will come here. So this is not here, 9 by 24 will come here. So minus 3 3 24 is equal to minus 3 by 8 will come here, where q is equal to. So where we took q is equal to, so this one, and p is equal to this one, alpha into beta. So I will submit in the equation x square minus alpha plus beta, x into alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Alpha plus beta is equal to what we have got? 0, no? So means 0 plus and pq. So this alpha beta into p, no? So p is equal to how much we got? 24. So minus 24 is equal to 0. So x square minus 24 is equal to 0, this one we got here. Okay, so this one we will get from the equation. Another thing we have to find x square plus x square minus x into what is there? Another thing here, alpha, okay sir, gamma plus delta into, plus gamma delta will come. So in this x square I will write like that only, minus this alpha 1 by 4, no? So 1 by 4 into x plus gamma delta is equal to minus 3 by 8. So minus 3 by 8. So you do this one, so is equal to will find, so you find this roots also and this roots also, will get the answer. So now this is end of the section 2, section 3 for this 4b. So please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. So this is like, if any you feel uncomfortable, so please don't mind. So practice, you will get understand these questions also. Now start with here we will stop. Now 4b complete. Now 4c I will do soon. Binomial theorem also I will do soon, binomial theorem. Okay, so start with this like I will start with the like soon as well as soon. Okay, 2a also I will start here. Okay, now I'm continuing with the 2b also. 2a now started now, so 2a is continuing. I will also start with the 2b also. These two I will continuously do. Okay, so please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.